My name is Marshall, and it's super nice to meet you. I'm on a bit of an adventure. A creative adventure. There's so much that can be done now with the CNC machine and AutoCAD's Fusion 360. It's a program, it's free. Just check it out. We really stand on the shoulders of giants when we have these two technologies available to us. And we're more or less just the lucky people at the right place in the right time. Because once you develop the skills to use those technologies, you enter an entire new ocean of creative potential, ideas for us to experiment and explore, and none of them have been done before. Everywhere we go, there's no maps, there's no rules, there's no instruction manuals. It's like, just go, have fun, and find out what's out there. And oh my gosh, there's so much. And I steer my boat towards woodworking because that's what I love. I always have been obsessed with it. It's the trees, really. I love to pay respect and do something good with the life's work of these incredible beings. But, you know, it doesn't just have to be woodworking. Whatever it is you're passionate about, I truly believe you can find a way to combine these technologies to blow the lid off of whatever it is you're creating, if that's what you're interested in. You might be here just for the entertainment. I get that too. I do watch these videos all day long. It's probably one of the best parts of my job is editing them because, gosh, they're fun to watch. The point of this channel is either to try and inspire or educate or entertain. And the content, it isn't for everyone, but I think it's for some of us. And yeah, I don't know what the channel is going to turn into. I've never done any of this stuff before. What I do know is that I love it, and I'm probably going to do it until the day I die. Especially because, oh my gosh, that stool was just the beginning. Not to get your hopes up or anything, but we have so much that we can do. And it's challenging. You know, I don't know what the quota will be, how many videos I can create and all that kind of stuff, but and I'm never going to be in a hurry, and I apologize for that. This stuff, everything I do, the woodworking, the videos, I put my whole heart into it, and I'm not interested in taking shortcuts for the sake of time. The trees deserve better. You deserve better. The process, everything. That's not the point, right? But anyway, I'm stoked that this channel found you somehow. Thank you, YouTube algorithms. And yeah, I'm really glad you're here. Thank you for joining.